right, now here's the deal. You got 3 matchboxes here, right?
Yep.
These 2 are empty. This one's got the matches in it.
One right there, and one at the end.
This one's got matches in it. Okay, I'm gonna move them around. You keep up with this matchbox, and if you want, you can bet $20. You ready?
Yep. So I bet $20. Yeah.
Think you know where it's at?
Oh yeah, that was pretty easy. But shut up.
Right there.
Okay.
Empty, empty, no matches. That's $20.
Wow.
How about that?
That's.
Well, you want to try?
Yeah, I'm
money
just
back?
wondering where I'm at.
Double nothing?
Double nothing. There we go.
All right, hold on. Here's the match.
All right.
All right. You ready?
Yep.
You think you know where they're
I
at?
know where they are.
You sure?
I know where they are.
$20 bucks, be $40 into it if you're not 100% sure. I just don't want to take you for your money.
Well, that's all right.
You really think it's there?
I think it's there.
Enough that you're going to spend $40 to say so?
Do it from the beginning. Do it from the beginning. I think it's.
It was there. You would have been right.
Okay.
But you won. You didn't bet
All
it.
right, there we go.
You want to try it again?
Yep, yep.
All right, here they are.
Okay.
These are empty.
All right.
Now, you think you got it?
I know where it is.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
It's going to be another $40. Well, it'll be 40
Uh-huh.
if you're wrong. So I just don't want to take you for your money just because I'm smarter than you are.
Smarter than me.
I'm smarter, better looking.
This is state fair trickery. What this is.
Now, I'm in the difference of this in the state fair. I'll show you what I will show you how I'm doing
Okay.
this.
Well, I'm positive. Where I know.
All right, if you're so positive, you got $40 on it, pick it up.
Right there.
Empty. Look.
Shut up.
Yep. Now you're into me for $40. I think we should quit while we're ahead. You want to do it again? One more time. I'm going to go as slow as I possibly can this time.
Make it easy.
I'm going to go as slow as I can. Okay?
We'll go slow as you can.
Here's where they're at, right here. Got it?
Uh-huh.
This is where they're at. Okay? For double or nothing.
Okay.
Okay, now take your time. Make sure you know what you're doing because this will be $80.
I feel so stupid.
Well, I mean, that's as slow as I can go. I don't want to just take your money.
Well, there's no way that they're not right here.
Take a look and look.
All right, how you doing it? How you doing it?
You want me to show you where the matches are?
Yeah.
You want to know where they're at?
Yep,
You really want to know where
I
they're
want to know
at?
where they're at. I want to know where they're at.
Right there.
I'm not giving
They're
that
all
money
empty.
back. I'm not giving that. I want my money back. That's state fair games.
Trickery.
Trickery.
State fair trickery. Is that awesome or what?
That's great.
I
That's
could have
great.
took you for your money.
Oh, that's fun. But that is a typical state fair.
That is.